The biggest advantage for international students in the U.S. is STEM OPT. It offers 3 years of work rights, a benefit no other visa track provides. STEM OPT is a program that lets international students in science, technology, engineering, or math work in the U.S. after graduation. STEM-eligible programs include majors like engineering, computer science, data analytics, mathematics, and biotechnology. Not all degrees qualify. Check your program first. Regular OPT gives you 12 months of work permission, but STEM OPT adds a 24-month extension, giving you 3 years total to work in the U.S. STEM OPT acts as a bridge. After graduation, you use OPT, then extend with STEM OPT, maximizing your time before applying for H-1B. To qualify for STEM OPT, your employer must be enrolled in E-Verify and provide you with a formal training plan called the I-983. The I-983 training plan outlines your learning goals and employer supervision. It's required for STEM OPT approval and must be kept up to date. Universities can help you verify if your major is STEM eligible and guide you through the OPT and STEM OPT application processes. Choose employers who already use E-Verify. This is mandatory for your STEM OPT extension, so always check before you accept a job offer. Your 3-year work window lets you enter the annual H-1B lottery up to 3 times, increasing your chances to get sponsored. With the STEM OPT extension, you get more time to build skills, gain experience, and support your family's dreams while in the U.S. You'll need to submit regular progress reports during your STEM OPT period. These updates show you're meeting learning objectives. Working under STEM OPT helps you network, gain U.S. work experience, and access more career opportunities before transitioning to an H-1B visa. This is your migration path. Use STEM OPT to maximize your time, then transition to H-1B and start your green card journey. Ready to maximize your U.S. education? Comment STEM list and I'll send you the top STEM eligible programs.